Hi there, it's me again, Honey. Well, I have received another package of Exos merchandise. So yeah, I know that yesterday I have just posted a new video, but since I got another one here, so yeah, let's open it. Okay, I hope I don't cut through anything here at the edge of it. Be careful. Oh shit. What? The seller even gave me sweets. Okay, let's open it. Oh my. Look here. I got like 2 sweets. It's Cloud9 sweets. Thanks. Here, a little message. Okay, and so here what I bought recently. Actually photos or photo cards. Ooh, it's down. OMG. Oh, the seller sealed this. Okay. Okay. Oh my god. Look at this. It's really pretty. Oh, towels are really beautiful. Look at that. It says here EXO towel. So at the back of the photo card is just like this. Can you see it? No? Okay, it doesn't really focus here. Okay, never mind. So this is the first photos of towel. Then I have the second photo. It's just so cool. That's why I really love towel. Yeah, I really love both photos. Then we have Minhyun. Oh, Minhyun was cool as well. We have another Umin. Then we have Chen. It's like double photo because of the reflection on the table. Ooh. I don't really like this photo because that's like full face of Chen here. I prefer it to be something like this or like this. Yeah. Aha, the official photo card from EXO's concert. Yeah, I only managed to get towels because towel. I only managed to get towels because the others have already sold out. And here it's Umin. What do you call this? Stardom card, official cards. Oh, this is so cute. This is towels. This is way better than what I've thought. Comes with okay. This one's from the seller, I believe. It says thank you with a crown sticker. Okay, so practically I really love this stadium cards, and also Taos photos and also the photo cards. Yeah. Out of this puzzle, this is my favorite stuff. Oops. Here and here. Maybe I should use Taos. Yay. These are my favorite. So yeah, I guess that's it for now. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.